Okay, let's say we have this function cosine of 5x squared. So we know that we can find the derivative of the cosine, which is negative sine. Negative, well, let me put my little derivative here. Negative sine, and you leave the inside alone, and then the chain rule piece is taking the derivative of the inside. So in other words, times the derivative of 5x squared, which I still have by negative sine 5x squared. And now the derivative of 5x squared, bring the 2 down, 10x. And that gives me my final answer, just kind of rearranging the order that I write these in. But it's important to note when you use the chain rule, typically we will say the derivative of the outside and then times the derivative of the inside. So you have to recognize that there is an outside and an inside.